problem I have here is this sump pump pipe at the bottom gets detached every winter with the thawing and freezing of the ground, and the water keeps leaking underneath. To solve it, I'm gonna cut this T and I'm gonna install this flexible T right here. To cut the pipe, I'll be using this pipe cutter, and before this we will want to measure where we're gonna be cutting. So this flexible T takes about an inch of a pipe on each side. That's what we want to account. Now I have some polyurethane here, or the silicone, which I either will have to clean or I'll try to put this T on top of it. If you don't have this pipe cutter, you can just cut it with a saw. Now I'll probably have to remove the silicone a little bit, and then I'll touch this flexible coupling. To remove the silicone, you can use utility knife. I'm using this scraping tool, which is actually very sharp. Now we need to make sure that the flowing goes towards the street or towards the flow of the pipe. So in this case it's going this direction. If it doesn't attach well, like in my case, you can just unscrew it. Screw it a little bit more, or you can remove it. When all your 3 pipes fit well into the coupling, it's time to tighten these clamps. You can either use impact driver or just a screwdriver. Do not over tighten. And then I like to use screwdriver just to do a couple of final twists. And now it's time to test it. As you can see, there are no leaks and all the water went out to the street. Alright, thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Cheers!